Okay, today I'm going to disassemble the gun, okay? And just want to show you how to disassemble a gun, a Glock. Let's put this aside first. That's mine. So we'll be disassembling this gun. Okay, before we disassemble a gun, right, always make sure the gun is not cocked. So before that, we have to check is there a bullet or not. Okay, it's bullet. So empty. Keep it aside. Don't have to take that. Just take me here now. So disassemble a gun. We can pull out here and here. Pull out here, here. Yep. You see? How's everything? Good. So to reassemble, put it back here. Put it back here. And we are ready. Okay. So just put the bullet back in here, flip it back, and don't cock the gun. Yep, got it.